Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a medium Sudoku. In today's newspaper of Wednesday, December the 28th, 2022, and I've showed you earlier in this newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So I will later on I will do an old puzzle, and I believe the one of December the 5th. Yes. Alright, here we have three regular puzzles: the binary, the killer Sudoku, and this one I will solve is a medium Sudoku. And this one, medium Sudoku, will be number 5699. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, the medium, I've noticed, has always 26 printed digits. It's kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve. But for Sudoku medium, if you compare with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus in additional, with the 26 printed digits, it will be at 2 stars. And for 2 stars a puzzle, I need a 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. 15 to 20 minutes. We will see if this is really a 2 star. So let's get started. Let me see. We have a 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. Here, 7 in the last column, no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. Alright. Okay. Then. Let me see. 5, 8, 7, 7. Need a 7 here. Well, we have a 3 in this row, 3 in a row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Okay. 2, 5. Come on. This is taking too long. 8 and a 5. 8. 6, 3, 4. I need here 4. 2. We have a 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see here 1 in this second column, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1. Cannot continue with the 1 now. I need more information. 4. 4 missing numbers in this column. 2 of those missing numbers. No. 1 of this missing number in this column is the number 8 in the third column. Well, we have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here or there in the third column, here or there. We see an 8 in the second row, so no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8, okay. 3. Well, 3 missing numbers in this column. 1 of the missing number in the third column is number 3. Well, we have a 3 in this row, second row, so no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. So we have a 3 in one of those two boxes. In the third column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the second row, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. And we have a pair, the 3 and 8 in the third row, the 3 and 8 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 3 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and 8 goes and there. 3, 3, 8, 8, 8, 8. Yeah, I'm thinking. 3, 9, 4. Okay. 9 and 6. Come on. 2, 2. 6. 1, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4. Yeah. 7. Here should be the 7. Yeah. 3, 1, 5. No. 1, 3, 8. No. 2, 2. 8. Come on. 2, 2, 2. Well, it's not easy, this one. Not easy. Need to find the digits. We have a 3 here, 7, 9, and a 4. Okay. Okay, 9, 4, and 6. Oh, no. 4, 6, and 7. 4, 6, and 7. 3 missing numbers in the middle column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 4, 6, 7. 4, 6, 7, 4, 6, 7, 4, 6, 7. And look, we have a 4 and a 7 in the last row. So no 4 and 7 in this box. The 4 and 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. So one digit left in the middle column for number 6. Okay. 6. Okay. Yeah, 4. Come on, 4. Yeah, 6. Yeah. 4 and a 7. Come on. We have a pair. The 2 and 8 in this column. The 2 and 8 in the middle column. So the column next. The only 2 places left for the 2 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. So what are the other 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 1, 4. And the 5 is missing. 1, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5. Okay. So 1, 4, 5. So we have 5 in one of these 3 boxes in this column. 5 in the middle column. So the column next, though, need 2 places left for the 5. Could be here, could be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, though, need 2 places left for the 6. Could be here, could be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, though, need 2 places left for the 3. Could be here, could be there. Come on, 3, 9, 4. 3, 9, 4. 3 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3, 4, 9. 3, 4, 9, 3, 4, 9, 3, 4, 9. And look, we have a 4 in this column. So no 4 in this box. Here, 4 in this column. So no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 in the middle row. Should be there. And I've eliminated the 3. So the 3 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. Now we have a 3 here in this row. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Okay, so 2 numbers are left in the middle row for numbers 3 and a 9. 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in this column. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Do we have all the 3s? And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 3. Alright. 8, 5, 7. 7, 9, 4. And a 1 is missing also. 1. 1, 1. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and a 9. 7 and a 9. Alright. 9, 9. 7. Come on. This is taking too long. 8, 8. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Yeah. Come on. 1, 3, 8. 1 box left in the third column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. So 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here. Could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in the first row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. So we have a 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the last row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, 6, 6. Okay, cannot continue with the 6 now. Need to wait. 7 and a 4. 7 and a 4. Okay. 2, 7, 4. 2, 2. 2, 7, 4. Well, here can be. Oh, we have here 5 missing numbers in the second row. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. In the second row, here or there. We see another 2 in the first column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 7 and a 4, okay. Need to wait. 7, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 4. We have a 4 in the last row, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers are left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have an 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 and the 7, we have a 9 in the first column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, and 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 9. We have a 4 and a 9 in this row, so no 4 and 9. These 3 are boxes. The 4 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. So I've eliminated the 5 here, so the 5 goes there. I've eliminated the 6 here, so the 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. The 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. One box left in the middle column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see here 4 in the last column, no 4 there. Here 4 in the column next, so no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. Well, here cannot be a 4 because these 2 boxes are reserved for the 2 and 8. So the only place left for the 4 should be here. 4 and 9, we have a 4 now in this column. So no 4 there, 4 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Let me count again. This is a 9. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. This is number 2, number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and the 9. Oh, no. 1, 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes here because we already have a 9 here. So the 1 in this row, the 1 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 and 8, we have an 8 now in the last row. So no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. And all the 7s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 7. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. No 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have an 8 in the last column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 5 goes there. The 8 in this column. The 8. Sorry, the 8 in the last column. The 8 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in the last column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 6 goes there. So we have a 5 in this column, the 5 in the last column. So in the column between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in the last column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 6 in the last column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1. It goes there, finish in 18 minutes. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2 stars Sudoku. And we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, the regular killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.